Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Oyemi. Welcome to H-QTV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your Facebook page username, how you can change it to another one, how you can edit that. So just stay in this video as I'm going to show you. It's a little complicated, but don't worry. I have covered you, and this tutorial I've covered everything that you need to know. So I'm going to Chrome. You can see here. When you get here, you are going to type. You can't change this thing on your Facebook app or Facebook Lite. You can't change that. And say just follow the method that I'm going to use here. Facebook.com/page. You can see. Then after this, it's going to bring a page for us, but don't forget, you can see this is my desktop site. I've taken it is in desktop site, not in our mobile phone. You can see I'm not doing this on my mobile phone, I'm doing it on desktop site. So you too, you must put your own on desktop site for you to get this thing very well. You can see. Then what is going to happen is I'm going to let me zoom this so that you can see it very well. Can see. So at the top here, you can see your profile here at the top. This is your profile. You are going to click on it. You can see your profile here. Let me zoom it very well. This is my Facebook page profile. You are going to click it. You can see. Then I'm going to can see settings and privacy. Settings and privacy. You can see I'm going to click on that. You can see settings and privacy. You can see. Then I'm going to let me zoom this very well. I'm going to click on settings. You can see this is the method that you are going to apply to do your own, to change your own. Then you can see now that let me wait. Then you can see that this is my settings. So you can see name, username. We are going to username, not name. Then you can now edit it. Let me zoom this very well. You can see this is our username. You can edit it here. You can edit it like this. You can edit it. So you are going to click here to edit it. You can see. Then you can just type out the name that you will love to make changes to your username. You can just type the name that you want to change this. You can see now you are going to change it. You can see your username is available. You can see, just make sure that your username that you are going to type is available. You can see. So once it's available, and after you click on save changes, they are going to ask you to verify it with your Facebook profile password, and that is all. That is how you can change it once and for all. You can see. Then you can now change it. Now you can just type it, and you are going to click save, and that is how you can save your Facebook page password. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to H-QTV. This description is on the link below. I'm going to post this description, and don't forget to like this video. I'm going to see you in my next video.